Europe follows an inclusive policy. All citizens shall be able to participate in all areas of life. This includes access to markets and products. However, many goods and services aren't accessible. Their design excludes users who deviate from the average. In particular, those with impairments, they may be inborn due to diseases, accident or aging. This does not only include transportation and public facilities, but also other products, like this gas hob. Design for all leads to better products, but to date many designers and developers only have a limited understanding what users with impairments do really need. This problem was tackled by VERITAS, a large European integrated project within the 7th Framework Programme. 32 partners from industry, research and user organizations participated to contribute to an inclusive Europe. The basic idea of VERITAS is to provide developers and designers with tools allowing to verify their products by means of simulation in early stages of the development process. User models and task models are used to analyze products. The simulation then answers the question, can impaired users utilize the product? If not, the product model has to be changed to achieve accessibility. In a joint effort, VERITAS and 3 other projects, Vicon, Guide and MyUI, developed a structure for modeling users with their special needs. So the projects were able to describe users with perceptual, motor and cognitive impairments in a common way and could exchange their user models via an internet repository. A common white paper was created to stipulate standardization of user models and disseminate it to various standardization bodies. Designing for all means to be able to model really everybody. Therefore, user models must be able to match a variety of impairments. Parameters for the user models are partly found in literature. Because of gaps and missing data, these had to be measured by the project itself. VERITAS partners measured, for instance, forces, gait parameters and joint mobility for various impairments with the VERITAS multi-sensor platform. 2 different approaches were followed in VERITAS to provide designers with the tools they will need for inclusive product design, simulation and product experience. In pure simulation, everything happens inside the computer. A piece of software analyzes the proposed design by carrying out predefined interactions with a virtual product based on a virtual user model. The designer gets a summary and hints which accessibility problems were detected. In the product experience approach, the designer can interact himself with the product and is provided a computer-generated product experience from an impaired user's point of view. In this example, virtual engineering technology is used to design accessible smart and conventional homes. Virtual reality allows for experiencing in particular vision and hearing impairments and mobility restrictions. Another product experience application in the living spaces area is a simulation of tremor. This symptom is typical for Parkinson patients. VERITAS worked on applications in 5 domains: automotive, smart living spaces, workplace design, infotainment and games, and personal healthcare and well-being. In order to verify the tools, VERITAS conducted pilot tests with designers and people with impairments. Designers from all 5 application domains tested the VERITAS tools. Here again, the gas hob application. The designers in the pilot tests reported vivid and impressive insights in the needs of elderly users with Parkinson disease. Product redesigns using the VERITAS tools were also tested with the targeted beneficiaries of VERITAS, elderly people and other people with impairments. The results showed that using VERITAS tools leads to improved accessibility compared to the baseline situation. Designers and developers should employ them certainly in the future. They also showed that designing for all has limitations. The individuals are unique and so are their abilities. Frequently, people with impairments suffer from multiple conditions. Not every combination can be considered in the design process. But on the other hand, it is beyond the imagination of simulation engineers how people with severe impairments can compensate and master their lives independently.